It's angel hair, sausage, heavy cream, peppers, shallot, garlic, rosemary, and cheese. Okay, slice your mushrooms. This one is delish. 1 clove of garlic, smash it, chop it up. Slice half a pepper. You can use more if you want, and then give it a little dice. I mean, you guys, this is so good. Slice up half a shallot and cut your sausage into small pieces. It's kind of like sausage and peppers meets pasta instead of the bulky roll. A little bit of olive oil. Start browning your shallots and your garlic. Get a nice little, kind of medium heat. Get them soft. Throw in the sprigs of rosemary. You're going to end up pulling them out. Add your peppers. Kind of soften them a little bit. Add the mushrooms. Let them cook down, and then you're going to add your sausage. This takes about 10 minutes, right? Cut your sausage small enough so it doesn't take long. Add your heavy cream. You're going to let this simmer. Pull out that rosemary. Season with salt and pepper. Add it skinny. Give it a good toss. You know me. I need my cheese. So add your grated Parmesan cheese and taste it. It is summer in a bowl.